Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. So the price has reacted again to the latest support area. And here you can see very clearly why I always say I don't really worry about if support levels are holding or not. Also the latest one was respected by the price, and I received a lot of messages yesterday, people asking me why is it coming down in such a sharp way and is support going to break? Never assume support is going to break, really. I have seen it many times that we have a lot of red candles. The market, it looks very scary. The market comes deep into support, as here in this case as well, even though it wasn't really very deep. And it's turning around, okay? So, you know, at an instant from one moment to the other, that's just a feature of crypto. Now, can I promise you we are now going to the next target? No, but the bottom line is it has so far done everything to confirm the preferred scenario, which is still the white count, and we haven't broken support. And as long as we don't break support, I assume we are following the count. So let me take you through the relevant parameters here on this price chart. So the idea is also, as communicated yesterday, that the move down was a wave 4. There are a few different wave counts possibilities, but either it's the white count in wave 4 or the blue one. The blue one would allow for technically for a pullback all the way down to 85.7 cents. But that would be a diagonal pattern, far less likely. Could still happen, okay? But in the ideal scenario, which is the white one, which is also the preferred scenario at the moment, we are moving up more directly. In this scenario, the market formed a wave 1, which was the top here on the 31st of January, a wave 2 pullback on the 5th of February, a third wave rally, which was the latest high when the market touched the $1.3 1.786 extension. Wave 4 pullback might have been yesterday's low. And if the market gets follow through now to the upside, well, this could be wave 5 that minimally should reach $1.06, more ideally $1.11 to $1.15. Then we could complete all of wave 1. And we would get a wave 2 corrective pullback, and we can then add the support zones to the chart that are relevant. So that would be ideal. Within this scenario, yep, it's possible, and it would be great if wave 4 was over already. But to be honest, as long as we don't break out, and as long as we're holding 88.8 cents, very exotic, complex corrections are possible. Nothing stopping the market from doing this before really going higher, yeah? So take the 1.786 extension, the latest high, at $1.03 as resistance and range high. And above that level, yeah, we have some confirmation that we are in the 5th wave. Until then, the 4th wave could still be unfolding. Support is very well defined. What happens if we break below 88.8 cents? Well, in that scenario, the blue count is likely unfolding. It's basically the same scenario, but the subwave structure is different and the microstructure has to be reinterpreted. Well, not necessarily reinterpreted. We've got the alternative count on the chart already. It would also be a wave 4, but it would be a wave 4 in a diagonal. The subwave structure is different, and the wave 5 would unfold as an ABC structure. Not my preferred scenario, because the wave 1 looks like a 5-wave move. So it's not unlikely, but you know, it's more likely at the moment at least to assume that the impulsive count in white is playing out. Now, and then below 85.7 cents, the diagonal pattern in blue is not invalidated, but it will slowly start to reduce in probabilities. And the yellow count with a C wave to the downside would then come into play. This would be the, let's say at the moment, most bearish scenario within all bullish scenarios. But I would only, probably start to make that preferred scenario if we see that break below 85.7 cents. Until then, in the very short term, I focus on higher against the 88.8 cent level, and will give it still another chance even if we break down to 85.7. But then I have to say that the bullish count will already suffer and lose in likelihood because the upside momentum is reducing too much and the pullbacks are getting deeper than ideal. That's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.